In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change admin email in WordPress contact forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your WordPress.com dashboard to find the right tool and what to look out for so your contact form notifications land in the correct inbox. First, head to the plugins area on your WordPress.com dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct site and that you have administrator access, since only admins can manage plugins. From your site's dashboard, open the plugins section. If you don't see a plugins menu, it usually means your current plan doesn't support third-party plugins. That's normal on certain WordPress.com tiers. You can still continue watching to understand the process, but keep in mind you may need to upgrade your plan before you can proceed. While you're here, double-check the site name in the top bar so you're working on the right website. Next, use the search box in the plugin screen to look for Change Admin Email. Type the name carefully and wait a moment for results to load. You're looking for a plugin specifically designed to help you change the admin or notification email used by your site, which can be especially helpful if your contact form is sending messages to the wrong address. When the results appear, scan the plugin titles and thumbnails and look for the one that matches the name you searched. If your results are crowded, try refining the search to the exact phrase in quotes. Now, choose the Change Admin Email plugin from the results to open its details page. This is where you can read the description, check compatibility with your version of WordPress, and review the changelog, ratings, and support information. Pay close attention to any notes about how it updates the site's admin email and whether it mentions contact form notifications. On WordPress.com, plugins may require a plan that supports installing third-party plugins. If you see a prompt indicating a plan upgrade is required, that's expected. Review the upgrade options shown and decide whether enabling plugin support fits your site's needs. If you manage a team site, you may want to coordinate with the site owner before making plan changes. That's it. You've gone to the plugins section, searched for Change Admin Email, and selected the plugin to review its details and plan requirements. Once your plan supports it and you're comfortable with the plugin's description, you're in a great position to proceed and ensure your contact form emails go where you want them.